cooking mad flavor in your ear. Here comes the brand new flavor in your ear. Time for new flavor in your ear. I'm kicking new flavor in your ear. Max brand new flavor in your ear. Craig Mack, 1,000 degrees.
What up, though? It's your girl Selah, and I am back with another video. Okay, so I had to do this quick because technically I am still on the clock. But I had to do this quick because this video came across my Facebook feed, and I'm like, no. We're not about to let this one just slide by the timeline like it don't need to be addressed. So this is a quick reaction video to Chef Ramsay. He's doing his thing here. Let me give you the exact sound. I don't want to be wrong, okay? This is Ramsay's Kitchen Nightmares, okay? And this is when he I guess it says Gordon prays he doesn't get poisoned. Kitchen Nightmares. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start the video now. No, it looks very basic, Granny.
Delusional about how fabulous her food is. I hate the macaroni and
Like,
cheese. Just looks like crap on a plate.
A pork chop.
The smothered pork chop.
Thank you. That's not shut on my plate. It's just dry.
The pork chop is dry with gravy.
That's bland. Nothing seasoned there.
How's your pork chop?
Hey,
Dry.
tell me the macaroni didn't look dry.
Cooked up, very mushy. You think a soul food restaurant would pride itself on
Granny.
cheese?
Wait, no. Granny was like, you over there talking about my damn macaroni?
Thank you.
Oh,
What's wrong? He's saying that the
she had an
macaroni and
attitude.
cheese is dry and overcooked.
Cause it is.
He asked me
Oh,
had we warmed it in the microwave. I told him no, it just came out of the oven. They may have put it
cause
in
you
the microwave
lied.
for a minute.
Ain't nobody tell you to lie.
Everything is cooked to perfection. There is nothing on that menu
So
that is
that's how we
not
cook.
perfect.
That's how we cook macaroni. What was he doing?
Here we go.
My mama ain't never did that.
Fried collard greens. Move it to the middle. Put an
What is
orange
that?
chip in the middle. That's it.
Hold on. Wait, okay, what's on his eye? Second of all, whoa.
Tell Chef
Did
I
she just
said
put a
to taste
Dorito
those
in the middle of
collard
the greens? Who do that?
Here you go, Chef. Collard greens.
Wow. Okay, great. Thank you very much indeed. Wow. That's bland. No seasoning. It's just fried and soggy and limp. James,
Where'd she get the bread, y'all?
what do you think? You gotta eat it all together. If you eat it all together, it should. Well, I did eat it all together. It still stayed bland. Thank you.
He's still mad. Talking about my greens. I put vinegar in them greens.
Bland.
Oh my God. Collard greens. It's great. He's crazy.
What's she doing with the
Chef
greens?
is
So, have y'all put Doritos? Do we put tortillas in your greens? Is that what you're doing now?
1 out of 3. We might be all right.
Look at him. Don't nobody believe in her food.
Chitlins and okra.
Okay. Chitlets.
Chitlins.
I mean, I know chitlets are being testing, but should they really stink? Before I do taste them, I'd like to pray to God before I put any of that in my mouth.
In Jesus' name, you are blessed. We rebuke the spirit of the devil. You are prayed over. We guarantee you that you are not about to succumb to those chitlins. Hallelujah.
Amen.
What just happened? What just happened here?
You'll be fine.
Look at her. She just wanted to be on TV.
I just had to pray over Chef before he ate the chitlins.
There's no prayers going to save me on this one.
Don't eat that. Don't eat it. Chef. If it stank before you put it in your mouth, what would...
Chitlets. Shitlets.
Oh my God. Okay, so clearly... Okay, so it's an ad right now, but... No. Okay. He ate it.
I need the toilet, excuse me. I knew they'd come out quicker than they went in.
Chef Ramsay is a mess.
No, he's not. Like, the macaroni looked dry. The little pork chop, okay, how is it dry with gravy? What are you doing? Somebody told you the game, taught you the game wrong, boo. I don't understand. Your wig is synthetic.
Shall it be taken lightly?
bottom line is, just because you black don't mean you know how to cook. Like, what the heck? Like, did she really just say, you know what I'm saying, here's some greens, and it had a dollop of, what was that on top of it, and some Doritos? I have never seen. Can somebody put in the comments below, tell me, have you ever seen collard greens with Doritos? I'm sorry, I have never seen that. What exactly is happening with this combination? Please tell me. I mean, because the greens were already overcooked or under whatever, under cleaned. Something happened with them greens. Them greens were shocked. They didn't even know what was going on. Were they glory greens? What is going on with the greens? Okay, what are you putting in them collards? Okay, what is? I can't believe she put a tortilla chip. She put a flaming hot chip. I don't understand. I don't understand the concept of these greens. Like, can somebody tell me? Is that a down south thing? Is that a somewhere else thing? Because I'm from Detroit. We don't put chips in our collard greens, and we for damn sure don't put dollops of tuna fish, or it could have been potato salad. I don't know what she did. She said put it on top, and if it wasn't salt and pepper, tomato maybe. Some people put vinegar. But if it wasn't any of those items, what are you putting on top of the greens? I don't understand, Charlene. And then, okay, so the macaroni. What was that? Huh? Tell me, what was that? What was that? Because as they were preparing it, like they was pulling it from something. Like, so if you're not pulling it directly from the pot that you boiled the noodles in, what are you doing? Okay? Y'all gotta do better. Y'all gotta do better. Y'all didn't let this white man come up in there, try this soul food and tell you it was nasty. You know, you should be ashamed. You should be embarrassed. You should be highly, you should be embarrassed. For real. He came up in there and told you your food was nasty. It's supposed to be from your soul. What, your soul nasty? I'm trying to figure out why your food was nasty, Cheryl. You don't got the gift. You don't got it. Going on back to Granny. Because you missed a step. Or if she cooking like that, then both y'all need to throw them both away. Throw them both away. Goodbye. Good day.